Magneto and Shopify are both popular e-commerce platforms, but they have differences in terms of features, flexibility, ease of use, pricing, and target user base. Here's a comparison. Flexibility and customization. Magneto. Known for its flexibility and customization options, Magneto offers a high level of control over the store's design and functionality. It's more suitable for businesses that require extensive customization and have development resources. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface with a range of customizable templates and apps. It's easier to set up and use, making it a better choice for beginners or businesses without advanced technical expertise. Scalability. Magneto generally considered more scalable and better suited for large enterprises or businesses anticipating significant growth. It allows for more complex integrations and handling of large product catalogs. Shopify, while it caters well to small and medium-sized businesses, it also offers scalability. However, some larger businesses might find limitations in terms of customization compared to Magneto. Hosting and maintenance. Magneto is a self-hosted platform, which means users are responsible for finding their hosting, ensuring security updates, and general maintenance. This offers more control, but requires technical expertise. Shopify hosted solution. So Shopify takes care of hosting, security updates, and maintenance. This makes it easier for users who prefer not to deal with technical aspects. Cost. Magneto. The Magneto Community Edition is free to use but requires hosting, which incurs costs. The Enterprise Edition, now Adobe Commerce, is a paid version with more features and support. Shopify offers tiered pricing plans ranging from basic to advanced, including hosting and support. Additional expenses may come from apps or transaction fees. Apps and execution ecosystem. Magneto has a vast marketplace with a wide range of extensions and modules that can be used to add various functionalities. However, some may require technical knowledge to implement. Shopify provides an extensive app store with various plugins and integrations, making it easier for users to add functionalities without much technical expertise. Support and community. Magneto relies heavily on its community support with forums, documentation, and developer resources available. Paid support is available for the Enterprise Edition. Shopify offers a 24/7 customer support across all plans, providing assistance via chat, email, and phone. It also has a large user community and resources.